Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you step-by-step process how we can easily add expenses in QuickBooks Online. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just go to New, and then right here you're going to see Vendors Expense. Click on it. When you're going to click on it, first you need to choose a payee. Who did you pay? And you can add a new vendor or choose a vendor from a list. Then you can have payment account. So if it's checking, saving, or other current assets, or like credit card, it's completely up to you which one you're going to choose. Again, you can add new payment account. Now here you can choose also the payment date and payment method. So if it's like cash, check, or Diners Club, Discover, MasterCard, Visa, or add a new payment method. I'm going to choose a cash. If you have reference number, you can add it here. Then you can add simple tags here. So let's say, and I'm going to add new tags, and then you have category details and item details. Category, what tax category fits. We can go with the expenses like advertising, automobile, disposal fees, insurance. Then we have some sub accounts here: purchases, travel, utilities. And you can really choose which one you want. If you can't find your expense right here, you can add new and create a new expense. So see, you can just add it right here: expense, name, detail type, and description. And you can create also as a sub account if you want to different account. And now I'm going to choose, let's say, advertising. Description is going to be marketing poster. Amount is going to be like 50. Billable, you can have it or no. Select if a customer should pay for this. Then you can choose also tax, and you can add a customer here also. So we have a payee, we have the category details here, and you can also choose the customer. Now here in item details, you can add what kind of product and service it was about. See, you can really choose amount 50, or like let's go 125. And I just choose product and service here, and description, quantity, rate, and amount. And again, you can choose a customer here, and you can choose if it's going to be billable or no. You can add some memo, and then you can add attachments, and then just click save and close. In the middle down, you're going to see make recurring. So that's what you can do. Let's go like this. And this is pretty much it, how you do it. So this is how you choose a category. And this is how you can simply add expense in QuickBooks. Thank you very much guys for watching. Have a great day and goodbye. See ya.